you okay? Sweetheart, are you okay? Baby, are you okay? Huh?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Fine.
You look like there's a problem.
There's no problem. I'm fine.
Are you sure? You don't look fine to me.
I'm fine. I'm just tired.
Is that something you want?
I don't want anything. Just take me home.
Alright, no problem. I'll take you home.
That was so close. Classless Sylvester, who decided to enjoy a woman far above his class. Oh, he's an illiterate from what I know. How come he's so close to the doctor? Oh, what would have happened if he had recognized me?
Sylvester, I need you to tell me what really happened outside there. What was that drama all about?
Doctor, you are my very good friend, and I have never denied you anything.
Sylvester, where is all this coming from? Have I ever accused you of anything?
Doctor, you have never accused me of anything.
So?
But that girl that left here is your patient. And there is no way you will convince me that you don't know anything about that girl.
I have never said that. I have never said that I don't know anything about her. Okay? That guy that drove her off in her car is her boyfriend. I think her fiancé. Sylvester, why are you acting like there's something really, really wrong? Is there something you're not telling me?
There is something seriously wrong, doctor. That girl rendered me useless here in Nigeria. My whole life was shattered that I lost everything the first day I met that girl and went down with her.
She's fine, yeah, her cups, yeah. If you feel like say you wanna near them, Monday, Etiko, the body na super booba. What happened? The body na wire, oh. What happened? The body na super duper. A super duper, the body now. Take a easy. Well, you there on speed, and the speed they kilo.
My name is Sylvester, but my friends call me Sly. So, what is your name, beautiful one?
My name is Naya.
Naija?
Yes.
Are you from the northern part of this country?
Oh, please take it easy, please. Take it easy.
Okay.
I don't like it when a man runs like that.
Oh.
Well, I'm an Igbo girl. Well rooted in Igbo. My name is actually Ifunanya. But because of how classy and, amazing I am, my friend decided to name me Naya.
Oh, Ifunanya. That means love.
Exactly.
Wow. Well, I don't mind if you shower me with love by the time we get to my house.
It depends on your capacity, what you're willing to do as a man.
Money is not the problem, Naya. I can even pay you in dollars.
I like the sound of that.
Come on. Let me go home and spoil you with money.
Don't be to talk too much, bros. If I see you bring up better money, you will see me do my work well.
But there you go had brought the problem. There is money. Naya.
Don't worry. When I see you behave like a real man that you claim to be, then watch me unfold. I will manhandle you.
Don't worry yourself. I'm talking with the ego. It's good in a motor. It's good in a yard. It's good where money there.
Okay.
I pay in dollars.
Okay.
You look so beautiful.
I am beautiful, I know.
Wow.
Bobby my DM said I'm pretty. Bobby my DM said I'm pretty. Yeah.
Wow.
Wow.
Naya.
Wait now, wait till they happen.
Why are you resisting me? You followed me to this place because you have decided to give me a chance. Why are we finally here and you are showing me this red flag? Why this attitude?
I never even see anything. You dey see red flag, you dey cry. You go see green, white. Make you know say na Naija you dey. What do you mean I'm showing you red flag? Huh? If I must be caught with a man, it must be well defined. Yes, you brought me in here. You have not even said anything to me. You just they rush me. I mean, I don't understand. No. It doesn't work like that, oh. Who does that?
Naya, why are you talking as if you are a call girl?
If I wasn't a call girl, would I have answered you when you called? I'm a call girl and I'm so proud of it.
You are a call girl and you are not even hiding it.
Why should I hide it? I mean, that's to tell you that I do not pretend. The truth is, 99% of women out there are all call girls. Depending on who is calling anyways. So why should I pretend? When you saw me walking on the road, I be your mama, I be your sister, why you can't carry me? Are we in any way related? No! I also want you to know that you guys that go around chasing women, spending money loosely, buying drinks, spending money on women, and also doing dorime inside the club, all of you are criminals. So, we all know ourselves. You know me and I know you full well.
It is not true.
Well, I haven't come here to banter words with you. Neither am I here to argue with you. You brought me here for a reason, which I know. So if you really want that to happen, show me the glimpse of what you can do. You already told me in dollars. So show me. And when you do that, I will be able to tell you whether I would spend time with you or not.
You know what, Naya? I like you. You like the language of money.
Who no like her?
And I'm going to speak on that language. I'm coming. Naya. Oh, sweet Naya. You know, I told you to calm down. Money is not the problem. Moka bagasi go Singapore, baga Hong Kong, Tisa Singapore, Kurisia Australia. You know, here is $1,000. I believe this is more than enough to have Almighty Naya do crazy things for the money man.
See this Malaysian mugu. You with all this money we did here. Only $1,000 now you won't give me.
Is everything all right? Are you okay?
I'm very perfect. Everything is okay.
Oh, wow, that's good. That's good.
You are really speaking in the language of money, man.
I love that. So,
I believe everything is okay.
Oh, you know.
So it's okay.
You know, I love that.
Wait.
What is it now?
There is something they call highness.
Yes.
So with highness, I can do a whole lot to you. You have no idea. But not this way. Allow me to, do some whiskey. Get me Cubana whiskey.
I know. Let
or if they don't have Cubana whiskey, get me live beer.
Can we just have one?
No. I need to high. You want me to do my work, right?
Yes.
Get me Cubana whiskey, okay?
Let me get this.
The body na super duper, a super duper. The body na take 'em easy. Well, you there on speed, and the speed they keep.
I want to enter the private jet.
They come jaja, no they they come softly. Softly, no go. Hey.
Naya, your honeypot is 1 in a million. Why do you allow me to sleep this long? You didn't wake me up. Oh, I'm tired. Hey. Naija the honey pot. That should be your name, not only Naija. You know what? Let us go for one more again. Yeah. Naija? Are you in the bathroom? Naija? Hey! Jesus! My money! Hey! 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 My dad! No! No, no, no. No, this cannot happen to me. Somebody should wake me up from this and what is going on here? Eh? Wait! One night I shower all my hard-earned money. Hey! Jesus! I don't understand Nigerian shower they behave. My car. All my hard-earned money in Malaysia. Everything wait in Singapore. Hong Kong. Now like this, anybody want to go for one night I shower? No, I'll go and look for this girl. Now like this, Nigerian shower they do. Hey! Hey! My hard-earned money. No! Hey!
She's fine, yeah, her cups, yeah. If you feel like say you wanna near them, Monday, Etiko, the body na super booba. What a
Doctor, the only thing that girl left with me was my house, myself, and my furniture.
Oh, God. I am so sorry, my brother. But you did say the girl that made away with your money is Naija. The one that just left with her boyfriend is Mirabel. Are you sure you're not mistaking her for Naija?
Doctor, I am sure of what I'm saying. Whatever her name may be, whether Mirabel or whatever, I can recognize her face very well. That girl is a criminal. She stole from me.
For one moment, when you stepped in, I saw that she was looking so uncomfortable.
Because she's a criminal.
And when I asked her if she's okay, she said yes. I can't just imagine the level at which girls can go.
Doctor, I'm really sorry. I don't know how this may sound to you. But you see that girl, she will return everything you stole from me.
I really don't know what to say concerning this matter anymore.
My sins have caught up with me. I don't think I'm going to survive this. Oh, Sylvester, with the help of Dr. Davis, would definitely come after me. But I really went too far. I drugged and left with everything that guy had labored and toiled for day and night in Malaysia. Oh, goodness. I would have just left with the $1,000 he offered me. But my greed has finished me. In my quest to belong to the League of Big Babes, I had to do the unimaginable. I have lost my womb in the process as well. Lost my usefulness as a woman. I am just like a vegetable. Now that I've found true love, there is no more life left in me. Mirabel, woe is me. I am better off dead than this type of misery. I'm better off dead.
If anyone comes here looking for me, tell the person that my health deteriorated and I went back to the village to take good care of myself. Don't ever allow anybody into my compound. Have you heard me?
Okay, ma.
On no account should you allow anybody into this compound without my notice.
Okay, ma.
Not okay, ma. I know you very well. You can be funny at times. If you dare allow anybody into this compound, I will not just fire you, but I will lock you up in a room and set you ablaze. I mean every word of it. Don't play with me. I'm not joking with you.
Ma, I have never disobeyed you before. You know, go start now.
I've heard you. You can go. And what are you standing here doing?
Sorry, ma.
I said leave.
Okay, ma.
Sorry for yourself. I'm not going to run sorry. Don't go open my gate for anybody.
Where's your madam?
Oga, my madam say, make I tell you, say, she don't travel go to Papa village for Akwa Ibom.
What do you mean traveled? She traveled without informing me?
Oga, no vex, oh. No vex. She say, make I tell you, say, her sickness don't worse. So she don't go to her Papa house to go die for there.
What do you mean die? What kind of talk is that? Why would she talk like that?
But, sir, I don't know. Now she talk am. Now what she tell me, say, I tell you, now I tell you so.
No, nothing will happen to her right now. I'm sure she will have to find a way to help her. She has to find a way to survive it. You know, I mean, there is no me without Mirabel, you know. This is all so sudden.
Okay, take heart. Take heart, sir. That's what life be.
But why didn't she call me? Did she try calling me and she couldn't reach me? Because I don't understand why she traveled without calling me.
Okay, I don't know. Seriously. I don't know.
I think I should just... Don't you think I should travel? No, go in search of her? Okay. That's what I think I should do. Yes, please.
There is no gainsaying that Johnson truly loves me. He loves me indeed. He cares a whole lot about me. He has helped me to know that what he feels for me is real. Since he can take a bullet for me, it's better I lure him into dying with me. He will have to end it once and for all. I remember the verse of the Bible that says, vanity upon vanity, all is vanity. I am just tired.
If you feel like say you wanna near them, Monday, Etiko, the body na super. What happened? The body na wire, the body na super duper. Take a easy. Well, you there on speed, oh. They come softly, 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 no go window. Hey.
She's looking like a calypso. Her waist beating like a calypso. Looks like she's
I'm fine. Okay, we fine.
My name is Sylvester. Here with me is Dr. Davis. He was the one who treated your madam when she was admitted in the hospital. Please, go and call her. We want to see her.
What? What happened? What is it?
Madam! Okay, problem there.
What kind of problem? What
What's
is
the
it?
problem now? What's the problem with this now?
My mother.
Your madam, what?
My madam is dead.
What? No. She no. What? Hey! No. Now, see, what's the problem?
Do you even know what you're talking about? She's dead. How?
She committed suicide.
Hey, what? My money. No, now she can't do that. My money.
That's all we see her more.
No. She can't do that.
She
What am I going to do now?
She drank poison and died.
No, doctor. Doctor, this is not the right place, please.
Sylvester, this is not good.
Hey, no.
This is not good. You know what? Stand up. Get up.
No.
Get up.
Hey, what am I going to do now? Doctor, she knew I was actually going to come for my money. She went and killed herself. Listen, her family members is going to pay me my money to the last couple. What was the meaning of this now?
Sylvester, relax, okay?
No, maybe she's inside now.
See, stop. Let's just go.
I need to see her corpse and be sure that she's dead now.
Let's go. You can't do that. Let's go. Stop this.
What am I going to do now?
Let's go.
No, God, what is it? My hiding money.
Let's just go.
What was the meaning of this now? What am I going to do now? Will my money just go like that? Huh? Doctor, you need to do something.
Hello? I should be asking you that. How are you? You know what? Just come to the house. But come through the rear gate. When you come, we'll talk about it. We'll talk about everything. Okay? Baby, please sit down.
What is it? You look troubled. What is it? Come on. Whatever it is, you can talk to me. Okay? Stop crying.
I've decided to tell you everything.
And I'm listening. I'm here.
Baby.
Baby. Remember that I love you. With all of my heart. When you're happy, I'm happy. When you're not happy, just like now, I'm not happy.
Before I tell you...
Yes, baby.
I want to ask you one more time.
Yes, baby.
Do you really love me?
With every part of me. Okay. What is it?
This world means nothing to me anymore.
How?
That's because outwardly I might look beautiful. But deep inside of me, I am completely destroyed. There's nothing left.
What are you talking about, baby? You have a good life.
You think so?
Well, in my quest to have it all, I wanted to have the most killer body. I wanted to have the best curves in the world that attracts men. I went under the knife. Naturally, God endowed me with covetous body, but I was not comfortable with it. I was so greedy and desperate to have everything. I wanted more. I wanted to have everything large, big. And then I submitted myself to a surgeon who took out fat from my tummy to my buttocks.
What?
And that led me to my destruction. My womb got badly damaged. Yes.
Oh my goodness.
Remember that day I was bleeding that you rushed me to the hospital? That was part of it.
Does it mean I've been building castles in the air all this while thinking that I have found love?
But I know you love me. Honey, I know you can do anything for me, right?
There is definitely no way I'm going to marry a woman without a womb. One that has damaged hers in all her attempts to enhance her body. No, certainly not me.
I want to end it all.
What are you talking about? You want to end what? You want to end what?
I want to end it all, sweetheart. And I just don't want to end it all like that. I want to end it all with the man I love. I want to end it all with you.
Oh no, hold on a second. What are you talking? Baby, come on, please. I don't want to die. I don't want to end it all.
What are you saying, honey? Were you not the same person that said you love me?
Yes, baby, but I have a life.
You said you love me so much and you can't see any harm come to me, that you won't take it, that you would kill yourself.
Yes.
Was that not what you said?
That's what I said, Mirabel, but you've got to understand that this is all so sudden. I mean, I'm not prepared to die. Right? I have a family. I have people who love me. I have people who depend on me for a lot of things. I have a kid sister whose life is tied to mine. She depends on me for everything. And me die would... My death would be at her peril. And, you know, you have a family. You understand what I'm saying? It would be tantamount to destroying a future that is looking so good for her already. And her education would experience a shipwreck. My mother would mourn. My father would be devastated. I have people who want me alive.
I understand all of that, but that will be sorted out. I have also decided to transfer all the money from my bank account into yours.
What? Baby, money is not everything. I mean, if only...
60 million naira. I can transfer that into your sister's account. I believe with that amount of money, she would not have any reason to even miss you while you're gone. Honey, listen, let's do this. Yes, I'm going to transfer the money into her account, honey. Let's do this. Let's just die together as lovers. Okay? Generations unborn will read about our love. And it will be in their minds forever.
60 million naira, now that's a lot of money. But the truth is, I don't wish to leave this world right now. How do I get the money from her without dying?
Johnson.
Baby.
I know you're so intelligent to see the great picture. You can see the picture of you and I. Think about Romeo and Juliet. Think about the love exhibited in the film Titanic. It could be you and I. Great filmmakers in the future would make great films with what we're about to do. Honey, please, let's just take this decision. Let's do this. I believe we'll be much more happier in the world beyond. All the money will be given to your sister. Please. Babe. Please.
Okay. But you would have to transfer the money first.
Immediately. I will do it now. Oh, I have your details. It's done. It's done. I told you I can do anything for you. Babe.
Ooh. Okay. Okay.
Okay, is it yes?
Yes, baby, yes, So, I mean, what next? What are we going to do now?
We would both drink poison together on Valentine's Day, and then
Oh my goodness!
we will die in each other's arms. Please, okay? Thank you so much, baby. You have no idea what you have done for me. Because this is like a dream come true. Dying in the arms of the only one that means the world to you. That is what I've always wanted. I love you. I love you, baby.
Johnson.
Ah, Uncle.
My nephew who decided to forget me.
Uncle, I did not forget you. Uncle, I did not forget you.
How are you doing?
Well, I'm still alive.
I can see. You're not doing badly. Good.
Thank you, Uncle.
Yeah? You called me earlier that you were already at the airport and that you were coming to discuss something very urgent with me.
Yes.
A matter of life or death.
Yes, Uncle. It's indeed a matter of life or death.
My ancestors forbid. What could that be?
Well, Uncle, you see, the rate at which my friends are getting envious of me worries me. And personally, I think that it calls for urgent attention.
I don't understand.
I fear that they might want to harm me. I hear that there is a conspiracy to poison me.
Why would they do that?
I don't know. Envy, my success. You understand? You know how these things work. So,
anyway, don't worry. Don't worry. None of our family members ever die of poison. None. In fact, those who perish because they don't know and they don't want to know. Because Chukwu Okike Abiyama has given us everything that we need. Forget it. Yeah? Don't worry about that.
Uncle, thank you. I hear you. But, like I said, a prevention would be better than cure. I don't know if there is something that I can be taking, once in a while. Just in case these guys carry out their threats of poisoning me and I eat that poison, something that I can stop the poison from affecting me. That is not to say that I don't believe your story, but
But there is. We have it.
Oh, okay.
We have everything. We are blessed with such things. Yeah? So nothing will happen to you. Yeah?
Thank you.
And none of us, nobody from this family can die of poisoning. It's not possible.
Thank you.
Yeah?
Should we not have done it the moment he accepted that we would do it? Waiting until Valentine's Day may give him the space to change his mind. But he already accepted the money. Johnson really loves me and has made up his mind to die with me. So we can leave this world of sorrow and frustration and transform into terrestrial lovers, where sorrows and frustrations will be unknown.
I will take you to the okuku of our family and make you drink the water of Akaliche. Yeah? This will reveal to you any food or water that is poisoned, even drinks. But even if it fails to reveal this things to you, and you mistakenly take any of it, it will not harm you. Yes.
Ichie, how powerful? How powerful is this water of Akali, Ichie?
Very powerful. Very, very powerful. Ah.
So it can, you know, prevent someone who has already taken the poison from dying. Is that what you're saying?
Look, you children born in the township ask too many questions. But now that your father is late, I think you should visit home more often, so that you'll be exposed to our customs and traditions, and of course, the spirits guiding our clans will be acquainted with you. Yeah? Very, very important. Very important.
Okay, Uncle. It's fine. I haven't seen Mama Neka.
She went to the market.
Okay. Today is a market day.
Of course. She went to sell her vegetables, but she will soon be back, I'm sure.
No problem. I'm still here. Uncle, you are sure?
You don't toy with what we have here. Okay. Don't toy what we have here.
No. There's a mistake somewhere. Wait. He's here now. He's here. Hey! Hey! So it's true. Hey! So... It's true that Mirabel is dead and gone. Eh? My hard money. God have mercy on me now. What have I done to deserve this? Eh? Hey! The worst part is I don't even know a family member on how to retrieve my money. What was the meaning of this now? Eh? What have I done to deserve this? So it's true. Mirabel is dead and gone. No, now. God, this is not true now. God, what was the meaning of this now? God, I know that I have sinned against you now, but you can't just reward me with this now. Eh? God, please, God have mercy on me now.
I have no hiding place. Johnson and I have already planned on leaving this world on Valentine's Day. But as it stands now, I don't think I can wait till then. Plans cancelled. We have to die as quickly as possible, for I can't face the shame of being apprehended, disgraced, and executed.
Auntie Mirabel, so now your hospital. Who say money no good?
Money too good.
What are you saying? I'm just managing here.
Eh? This one manage. So I no be manage oh. You get, you stand, gidigba. But Auntie Mirabel, forgive me of my curiosity. You know, when I was coming, you asked me to take the back door instead of the main gate.
That's because I do not want anyone to know I'm around.
I thought as much. But you seriously need a security man.
I have no need for a gate man. I'm just fine. So how have you been? How about that girl? What's her name again?
Doris.
Doris.
Doris is good. She's good. You know, Doris got married 1 month after you left the compound. And she just delivered a set of twins. Boys, for that matter.
Wow. You mean Doris is now married?
Yes, so...
With twins?
She's living in US with her husband and the kids.
Oh my God. Congratulations to her.
Yes, and even me too. I'll be getting married soon. I came to invite you.
Luck has really smiled on all of you.
It will smile on you too, Auntie. Auntie Mirabel, here's my invitation card. I'm inviting you specially on the 18th of this month. Auntie Mirabel, are you okay? You're crying.
No, I'm not. Just tears of joy. I'm really happy for you, Mercy. Congratulations.
Thank you, Auntie.
So this is for me?
Yes. See, there is time and season for everything. See, yours may not come now, but definitely it will come. Okay?
I believe God.
Yes. Thank you. So,
I honestly don't want you to go now. If you can spend more time with me, I'll be happy. I missed you. It's a lot of things.
You don't have any problem. I personally decided to come here and have quality time with you. I've missed you.
Same here. So you will be getting married?
Yes, so...
Your card is so sexy.
Thank you.
I like it.
Thank you.
Is it even okay for me to have left her? Huh? Yes, she asked me to leave, but considering the way she has been sounding and behaving, Should I have left?
Hello, baby. I am not fine. Where are you? You really have to hasten up. It's alright. Call me immediately you land, okay?
See, Mirabel, guess that was your man.
Yes, my man. Very cute and adorable. He has been my world.
I can imagine. So, very soon, both of you will be walking down the aisle.
You can say that again.
Yes, you know it's good to be married.
Yeah, it is.
Yes. You know, I have always desired to love and to be loved. The very first day I set my eyes on Charles on that fateful day, I knew I have found my husband.
Really?
Yes.
Let's talk about it. How are you certain that he was the right man for you when you first met?
Auntie Mirabel, he has everything I asked God for in a man. He's handsome, educated, and also he's committed to God.
Are those your criteria of a good man?
Yes, of course, because you know I never bothered about money. All I wanted was a man who is educated and focused. Like they say, one man's food is another man's poison.
Yeah. Okay. Anyways, I wish you a big congratulations and a happy married life in advance.
Thank you. Auntie Mirabel, I have to start going, eh? We have been talking since I didn't even realize that I was supposed to go.
Honestly, I really do appreciate your presence, honestly. But I was hoping you could just stay a little longer to at least meet my fiancé.
No problem. Maybe some other time.
No, I don't want. I want you to... Hold on, please. Hi, honey. Okay, please hasten up. There's someone I would really like you to meet. Okay. Talk of the devil. My man. See, he's coming. So just wait a little longer so you can just see. Okay? Yes. Please.
Okay.
Okay, just sit down. You know, I didn't even ask you of what you would have. We've just been discussing.
It's okay.
No, don't tell me it's okay. I'll get something for us. He's coming, okay?
Thank
Take
you.
him easy. Well, no, yeah, where you are. You there on speed, oh, and the speed they kilo. They come jaja, no they to rush, oh. They come so free, no go window. Hey.
London radio. She's looking like a capiso. Her waist beating like a calypso. Looks like she's from Sosoliso. Baby, your niso. Rat-ta-ta-ta. Wanna go ta-ta-ta. Rat-ta-ta-ta.
She's fine, yeah, her cups, fear. If you feel like say you wanna near them, one day. Etiko, the body na super booba. What a pen, the body na wire. What a pen, the body na super.
Hey, sweetie. Oh, you're welcome.
Thank you, baby.
Welcome, sir.
Thank you. Who's your friend?
Yes, my friend. We live in the same compound.
Oh,
She's
I
my
see.
neighbor.
Oh, okay. How are you?
Fine, sir.
Great.
I must say, you're not short of what she told me about you.
What exactly did she say to you?
That fact, you are handsome, and I can see that.
Don't mind her. Thank you, by the way.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
And Mercy will be getting married. So she brought her Ivy for me.
Congratulations.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
It's Ivy.
This is good.
Thank you, sir.
Congrats.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
So, honey, I know you had a very long day. And you need to, oh, come on, just have this. You need to relax yourself, drink,
Thank you.
and be fine.
Thank you.
I really had to tell her that. No, I want her to meet you because she told me a lot about her own man, and I really wanted her to meet my man.
Thank you. It's nice to meet you.
Thank you, sir. Me too, yeah. It's Mirabel.
What is it? Hey. What is it?
It's Mirabel, what is it?
What is it? Talk to me. What is it?
Sorry.
What is it?
Remember, you're coming with me. You know.
What is she talking about?
What? You did? Oh no, come on, no.
What is she saying?
No. Mirabel, not now.
You belong to me. Hey, we need to be together forever.
What is she saying? What is it? Auntie, no. Auntie Mirabel, please. What is she talking about?
Let's get
Okay, Auntie Mirabel. No, you cannot do this. Auntie Mirabel.
Mirabel.
Sir.
Hold on.
Auntie. Okay. Auntie.
Mirabel.
What is it?
Please, don't go. Just help me stay alive. We can find a way out of this, please. I beg you. Baby,
Sir, what is it now?
Baby, please. What have you done, baby?
Sir, what was she talking about?
My God.
Sir. Auntie Mirabel, what was she saying?
I need you to tell me what you know. You can start talking. Tell me what you know. You were here before I walked in here, so tell me what you know. Start talking.
Sir, honestly, I am innocent.
I'm not saying you're not innocent, but tell me what happened.
I don't know what happened. I don't know what.
No, you have to give me something. What happened before I walked in here?
Okay. I don't know.
Come on.
Sir.
Yes?
Today is actually my first time of coming here.
Okay.
Ever since she packed out of her compound, I came here because I wanted to give her my wedding ivy, which I...
Yes.
Yes. So, while we were talking, she told me that she's thirsty, that she wanted to take something. That was after she took your last call. So...
Come on.
Sir, she went inside the kitchen and then she came out with 2 glasses of juice. She gave one to me and one for herself. She was drinking it while you came in. That was all.
So she brought this from the kitchen?
Yes, sir. My own.
She poisoned herself.
What? Why would she do that?
Just relax, all right? Relax. She once told me that she was tired of life and that she was going to take her own life.
Okay, so what are we going to tell the police when they come here?
We are going to tell the police everything.
Yeah.
Everything. We tell them everything. I have my personal conversations with her recorded. Okay, and then just because I suspected she was going to do this, I have this place wired with cameras everywhere. We'll have CCTV cameras looking at us as we talk right now. And that way, we're clean. That way the police stays away from us. And then, but I need you to stop panicking. Just calm down. I believe your story. I know you have nothing to do with this.
What?
Okay, she poisoned herself. It was not your fault. It was not my fault.
Thank God. Oh God. I would have answered for what I don't know.
It's okay. Just...
Sir?
Yes?
You drank the same drink.
Yes, I took the drink, but nothing would happen to me. Let's just say that as a young man, I understood the core values of my tradition and I got myself initiated into it, okay? But first things first, we'll have to find a way to contact the police and then move her body. Okay, stop. Hold on to your invitation card. All right, it's okay, stop crying. All right, it's okay. Down to a good space.
I purposely asked both of you to come here today, being a Eke Market Day, because it was on an Eke Market Day that she killed herself. Johnson, you offended her spirit. Yes. The agreement was that both of you should die together. You're not supposed to be alive?
I was not part of her sins when she was alive. You know, we had a relationship quite all right, but her money was not the reason I fell in love with her. You know, I saw her, liked her, and we fell in love with each other, not knowing that she had ruined her life with surgery and criminality, and then when it was time for her to take her life, she wanted me to come with her.
Why are you bringing logic into this now? The offer was made to you and you accepted. You gave her your account and she wired the money.
Yes, because at that point in my life, things were tough and I wasn't thinking straight.
That money is the link she has to you. And for us to dismantle the connection, you are going to return that money.
How do I mean, where do I take the money?
To the owner, of course.